Maybe you have been looking for a reason to get serious and start studying for the CPA exam. As you may know, the CPA exam changed in July 2021, and guess what? It's changing again, and even more substantially in 2024, due to the National Association of State Boards of Accountancy, NASBA, and the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA, starting a CPA Evolution initiative. So that should definitely be enough of a reason to start studying and taking parts of the exam. Today, we will cover how the exam is now and how it will change in 2024. Right now, the CPA exam has 4 sections: audit, business environment and concepts, financial accounting and reporting, and regulation. Each section allots you 4 hours to finish. All right, we know how the CPA exam is now, but what is changing in 2024? Before we discuss that, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel because we are on the journey to 1,000 subscribers. All right, now let's discuss how the CPA exam is evolving in 2024. First, the exam is changing to reflect the skills and knowledge that newly licensed CPAs need today and will need going forward. So the NASBA and the AICPA will adopt a core plus discipline model, which is scheduled to launch in 2024. Number 1, there will be less emphasis on business law. Does its exclusion indicate that business law is less relevant to future CPAs? No, not at all. The NASBA and the AICPA understand that business law is generally already a part of college's accounting and business curriculum, similar to economics and finance. So they have removed a substantial amount of business law content from the exam. So if that was a weakness area for you, then you're in good luck. That's moving soon. Before we discuss the second way the CPA exam is changing, please like this video if you find this information helpful. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. Second, the exam requires a much greater competency and increased emphasis on emerging technology. Think of it as technology replacing business law. As an active CPA, a former external auditor, and a current internal auditor, I can attest that technology is becoming increasingly important in the accounting field. Now that most of the simple and routine audit testing and tax tasks are being performed offshore or are now automated, there are higher expectations for entry-level accountants. Many of the tasks that were once performed by audit and tax seniors are now being passed down to audit and tax entry-level associates. So I actually agree with this change to the CPA exam. So let's review the core plus discipline model that will be implemented in 2024. If you are enjoying this video so far, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Back to the core plus discipline model. The new CPA licensure model requires a robust knowledge of accounting, audit, and tax, which are the core sections. Then each CPA candidate will select one discipline to be tested on as the 4th testing section of the CPA exam. CPA candidates will choose from tax compliance and planning, information systems and controls, or business analysis and reporting. So if I planned to specialize in tax for my career, then I may find it beneficial to choose tax compliance and planning since I'll be working in that field and I may be more familiar with that content already. However, if I were an aspiring IT auditor or information technology auditor, then I may find it best to select information systems and controls. Regardless of the discipline that you choose, each candidate will be awarded the same CPA license with the same rights and privileges of other CPAs. The AICPA and the NASBA recognize that it would be unfair to increase both the educational and exam requirements to an unsustainable level. So, although it has not yet been confirmed, we can presume that the exam time limit for each section will not significantly increase. Why should you pass the CPA exam as soon as possible? Well, in order to bypass the new requirements, which will most likely make the CPA exam way more difficult, You should start your CPA journey soon so that you can finish all 4 exams within the defined 18-month period before 2024. From browsing evolutionofcpa.org, it looks like candidates who pass at least one CPA exam before January 1st, 2024 will be offered a transition option to complete the standard 4 sections: audit, regulation, BEC, and tax. So get started now. If you made it this far, type "I will start soon" or "I have already started" if you have already begun your CPA journey, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. What are my thoughts on the 2024 changes to the CPA exam? Personally, I appreciate that the AICPA and the NASBA contacted current CPAs, professors, students, and other stakeholders prior to solidifying their exam changes. It shows that they are concerned with the current state and progression of the accounting profession. Change is hard to accept sometimes. However, I think that it is wise of them to announce exam changes so early as 2021, because that allows CPA hopefuls to prepare for the exam changes and start their exam journey as soon as possible. If I were an aspiring CPA in 2022 or 2023, I would definitely start studying for the CPA exam as soon as possible. Another specific reason why is because some Masters of Accounting programs teach specifically to the current CPA exam model. So let's say that you graduate with your master's in 2022 or 2023, then your program will most likely tailor their educational curriculum to the current 4-section CPA and not the future Core Plus discipline model. So again, start the CPA exam within 18 months of January 1st, 2024 at a minimum. Remember, all 4 parts of the exam must be passed within 18 months. We made it. If you made it this far, type in the comments, "I will start studying soon." Also, I gave you free, valuable information. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel because we are on the journey of reaching 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best as you study to become a CPA. Let me know if there are specific topics that you would like me to cover. Leave your comments below. As always, stay blessed and stay bossy.